can, you're thinking, this is awful. That first guy was really, really good, but what the heck is this? And you wonder to yourself, how could this possibly get any worse than right now? And then it comes to you. There is one way it can get worse. That's if the fellow sings a Slim Whitman song.